This is homepage user interface. Down. Here is down on button is footer user interface. Here is a footer HTML. We have a footer element class site footer, and we have inner div class footer inner. Two class for footer, site footer, class site footer, and footer inner. Site footer, we see there is a width. It is important. When we don't define width, it is 100%. It is site footer. But inner footer, inner, we decided max width properties value is 1000 pixels. Why? Because container above footer, there is a max width 1000 pixels. Here is a CSS, footer CSS. Thank you for watching.